Do you want to create a text sticker in WhatsApp? You can make a sticker in WhatsApp with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To make custom stickers on WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device. Once you're on WhatsApp, open the chat conversation where you want to send the sticker. Tap on the sticker icon in the text input box. A new screen will open with different options. From here, tap on the sticker icon. Now, tap on the search icon. Type the text in the search box that you want to create a sticker for. Different stickers will be created based on your search. You can also create your own photo sticker by clicking on the Create button and selecting an image from your device gallery. After that, your created custom sticker will appear in the chat. Once sent, it will be saved in your recent stickers for you to use again.